Many people are still making avoidable tech mistakes in 2025. Let's break down the top 4 and how to stay ahead. Weak passwords. Using simple or repeated passwords is still alarmingly common. Switch to strong, unique passwords and use a password manager to keep them secure. Ignoring software updates. Skipping updates leaves your systems exposed to known vulnerabilities. Updates patch vulnerabilities. Install them right away. Clicking suspicious links. Phishing attacks have evolved. If a message feels even slightly off, pause and verify before clicking anything. Skipping two-factor authentication. 2FA is one of the most effective tools to protect your data. Enable it wherever possible, especially for email, banking, and work apps. Cybersecurity in 2025 is about being proactive. Stay updated, stay alert, and help others do the same. Follow nForceIT for more tech tips.